Let's check out this C10 just in it, unique specialty and classics. 1964 model year Chevrolet C10 custom cab, short box, nice looking truck. Underneath the hood, a little later model engine has been installed in this when it's kind of had its street rod thing done to it. Underneath the hood, 5.7 liter fuel injected V8. It is running a serpentine belt system to it, power steering, power brakes. We'll check out underneath the hood here in a bit. Also, make sure you check out the underside of this truck. Take a look at how clean and nice the underside and the bed of this truck is, the engine bay. Still pictures, check them out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
As you can see, bright work, chrome up front, also in nice shape. One little dinger here noticed in the grill, but overall paint, bright work, very nice on this truck. Has a new wood bed to it with stainless. I believe it looked like oak when I was back around there taking pictures. Also, take a look up and down the side of this truck. You can see how nice and straight it is, not full of dings, dents, scratches. This is originally a Kentucky truck. That's where it started out at. Interior is a cloth vinyl combination, kind of saddle colored, fold down armrest, has a tilt column added to it, and you can see they shorten it up too so it doesn't come out too far, so you'll fit in there very nicely. Good setup. That tilt column in there, aftermarket JVC stereo. When we get around to the driver's side, we'll kind of go through a few more things there too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. One more chance to take a look up and down the passenger side here, see how straight that is. Slip around to the back, take a look at this chrome. And again, paint. Overall nice shape all around it. Bed, nice stainless. Fuel cell has been relocated to the rear rather than having it behind the seat like they would have came with stock. This truck also has a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive paired up with that 5.7 liter fuel injected V8, of course. Rear end 12 bolt rear. And again, make sure you check out the underside of this truck and the still pictures engine bay. Still pictures uniqueclassiccars.com. And again, down below this video, click on the link. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side of this truck. Again, you can see how straight it is. Not full of dings, nicks, scratches. Nice looking Riddler wheels. Again, power disc brakes up front. All right, let's go ahead and open this up, check it out. As far as gauge cluster in it, it does have a Dakota Digital brand gauge cluster to it, and it'd be the silver alloy VHX series. Door panels, the matching saddle color, if you will. I have the floor mats I threw in there for the video. In the pictures, you'll be able to see the carpeting underneath the floor mats. And as far as the seats, I want to kind of, if I can show you, when I get up close to them, they start to wash out, but they're more of a tan, more of a saddle color from like right here. That's probably the true color of that interior. As I would get up and get on top of it, it's going to wash out. It is not that light. It's more of a tan, more of a saddle color. All right, let's go ahead, fire this up. Of course, you don't need to pump it. Again, fuel injected. As far as wipers, had those working. There's a little tack down here in the Dakota Digital dash. That also works. I had the wipers working. JVC stereo was working. Blower fan does have heat, defrost, all of that. So it appears everything's working on the inside here. All right, there's your RPMs. If you can see that in the video popped up there. Odometer over here, so it's a couple hundred miles since that dash has been installed is what that looks like. Voltmeter, fuel gauge, oil, all those gauges appear to be working. As far as the temp gauge, I've not had it up to temperature sitting inside here running, but assuming that temp gauge, it'll work just fine since the other ones are. You can check with your sales consultant if you call in and would like to know that for sure. They can check that out for you. All right. It's a good look at the cab. Door fits nicely. You slip around to the back here. It does have headers, dual exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that 5.7 liter, but nothing over the top. No crazy cam, crazy exhaust. Just a nice sounding truck. All right, I'm going to slip up to the front. I want to pause this just a second so I can pop this hood, show you the engine bay, and get a little closer look at that engine running. Hood popped. One more time, power steering, power brakes. That serpentine belt system is a later model 5.7 liter V8, fuel injected. See the heater hose is hooked up, but smooth. Sounds good, good sounding, smooth running engine. There you go, looking for a nice Chevy C10? Here's a 1964 model year. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, click on it. There's a link that's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.